Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to take off the front door card on Lexus NX300 step by step without any damage. Let's start it. First we remove with the plastic trim tools this small plastic cover what behind hidden Phillips screw, and let's take off quickly. Okay, and then in the bottom let's take off this filter. No filter is filled, and other hidden screw. Okay, and then just pop up the window switch. Looks like this. Unplugged. Okay, good. And the last screw behind the switch, and then the door opener is ready to come off. Okay, I hold the door opener in this corner, in the bottom corner, and just one strong pull and gently going all around, and that's one more hold here. Yeah, this was the last one. And just lift up, and when you lift up need unplug this handle cable. I hope you see, guys, just popping out the green and the white one, and we are done. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Bye bye.